Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. This is our first video of 2022, aka the best year ever. I cannot wait for this year. I'm so excited, and I'm actually kicking off this year with a massive announcement, which is probably why you're all here today. So I'm just going to jump straight into it because I know you all want to know. I've been talking about this for quite a while and I'm super excited. I've been working so hard on this and I know that you're all gonna absolutely love it. But before I do that, I need to give you a bit of backstory. So in 2020, when it was like mid-lockdown, I launched my online masterclasses. So they were held in a private Instagram group, Capel Lives. If you've ever done one of my masterclasses, you will know how intense they are, and you know that how much that I love them and everyone loved them so much. So they continued right from summer 2020 through till around September, October 2021. And obviously that's a long period of time for me to do masterclasses and to get feedback. And that also gives me a lot of time to think about what you guys want, what I think would be beneficial for you, what would work well for me. So there's been a lot of evaluating going on my part the second half of 2021 on what direction the masterclasses are going to go, because I actually wanted to add more value and I wanted to reach you on a more personal level. So I know that the live masterclasses that we did in the private Instagram group were very personal, but I wanted to go a step further. And my thing is that I've been a makeup artist for 6 or 7 years now and I know the industry so well, and I want to give back and I want to really help people grow who want to be a makeup artist as a profession, who want to do it online just like I do, whether you want to work in retail on a retail counter. I've pretty much done everything, so I have a lot of experience, and my thing is going forward now is that I really want to help. So before we would do a masterclass every week and you would have 7 days to catch up, and then I wanted more catch up time, so the masterclasses got less, and it was like a constant cycle of like wanting to do more masterclasses because everyone wanted more masterclasses, but also I wanted to give people more time to catch up and absorb that content. So, which is actually going to lead me onto my brand new era of makeup masterclasses, which is going to be on Patreon. If you've never heard of Patreon, it is an app that you can download and it's basically a subscription service. So you pay a certain amount of money a month to access content. So the reason that I wanted to do a subscription-based service on Patreon is because it allows people to not only gain the masterclasses, but to watch them forever. So any masterclass that comes up, you will be able to watch that forever. But I'm going to let you know how much the subscription is and what's included in it and all that good stuff first. So going forward, to sign up to the masterclasses, to gain access to them, it is £12 per month. But that's not all. So every calendar month, there will be 2 makeup masterclasses. Both of those masterclasses will be uploaded in the private Instagram group. So the Instagram group is still going to remain there. You can join there after you've joined the Patreon. And that is where the makeup masterclasses will be. So there's going to be 2 per month. And if you've done any of my makeup masterclasses before, you know how in depth we go with these masterclasses. So there's going to be skin, bridal, detailed eye techniques, working with colour, achieving dewy skin, full coverage, everything that you can think of as a makeup skill will be in the masterclasses each month. We're going to be doing different topics each month. I will obviously be letting you know on my Instagram story what is coming up in the next month, so you can have a look and see what's coming up in the month content wise from the makeup masterclasses. Those 2 makeup masterclasses that are uploaded every month will remain on there forever and ever, so you can watch them as many times as you like. You can refer back to them, you can recreate them, you can make notes, you can practice along with me. The only thing that is changing about the makeup masterclasses is that they are no longer going to be live classes. Now, my reasoning for this is a little bit of feedback that I got throughout the whole time of doing masterclasses was that when people were catching up, and a lot of people consumed the content as a catch-up content rather than the live. There was only a small percent of people who watched live, and then a huge percentage of the group would catch up. And when I'm reading out questions and answering questions and coming back to the makeup and doing it that way, people said sometimes it could be a little bit distracting towards what was actually going on for the makeup tutorial. But if you do like watching live, here's what's happening. In a month, not only do you get the 2 makeup masterclasses to watch forever, there will also be a live Q&A in the Instagram group as well. So this live Q&A can be anything. It can be industry related, it can be related to the classes this month, it can be product recommendations. You can come on there and ask anything, join on for a chat, and we can really have that nice live time together so we can round up the month ready to move on to the next. So 2 makeup masterclasses per month, 1 live Q&A per month. It doesn't end there. On Patreon, there is actually the option for you to chat one-to-one with me. So this is one of the things that I'm actually most excited about, and the reason why I wanted to move a lot of the content over to Patreon was that you can actually chat one-to-one with me, which is absolutely amazing, because sometimes on Instagram DM, Instagram would delete them, I wouldn't get to see them, it would be so messy, whereas here on Patreon, you can chat one-to-one with me. You can ask me about product recommendations, you can ask me for advice about the industry, if you want a little bit of motivation, if you want some content ideas, anything like that, any advice or anything you want to ask me, I am all ears. And I am there every single day responding to your needs and wants. So it really is like a one-to-one mentoring if you are going to join the Patreon. So not only are you getting those 2 masterclasses a month and the monthly live Q&A, you also have the opportunity to chat one-to-one with me. So it really is like that personal mentoring that I mentioned at the beginning. I wanted to make everything a little bit more personal. I wanted to help you. So you specifically watching right now, I wanted to help you. So all of that, not only the one-to-one mentoring, not only the 2 masterclasses a month, not only the monthly live Q&A, but there will also be a weekly blog post posted in the Patreon group where we discuss industry related topics. So that may be productivity, that may be social media, that may be organisation, it might be some makeup theory, it might be product recommendations, it might be a poll, it might be dealing with clients, time management, gaining more clients, getting fully booked, scheduling content, anything like that. I've got so many ideas that I want to write about. So there is going to be a weekly blog post uploaded in the Patreon as well. That is going to give you so much invaluable information about how to run your makeup business, whether you want to do clients, whether you want to be online. Everything is covered and there is no stone unturned as we go through the months. So I'm super excited. So on the Patreon app, that's where you can chat one-to-one with me. That's where you'll get the blog posts. That's where I'll be updating you if there's a new masterclass gone live. That's where our community will really lie and we can all help each other to build and grow. But you've also got that one-to-one aspect just with the mentoring from me as well. And then over on the private Instagram page, we have got all the actual masterclass content, and that's where the live is also going to be as well. I really want to give back. I really want to help you guys grow your businesses. And I just feel like this is the best direction to go down in terms of masterclasses. So you know what you're getting every month. We've got so much content coming, and I'm honestly so excited about this new chapter for our makeup masterclasses. I am so excited to be working with you this year. I'm so excited to teach you. I'm so excited to mentor you, and I'm so excited to build a community of like-minded, beautiful, amazing, talented MUAs. So you might be thinking, well, is this for me? So anyone can join, whether you're a beginner, whether you're qualified, unqualified, self-taught, whether you've been doing it 7 years, whether you've been doing it 30 years, whether you've not even started at all, but you just need some sort of starting point and a little bit of guidance. Anyone is welcome. And I'm so excited to tell you that we have officially launched, so you can click the link in the description box to sign up and start learning with me in 2022. This year is truly the year of leveling up. I can feel it in my bones, and I just know this year is going to be such a good year. It's a year for growth. It's a year for working on ourselves. It's a year for starting a new hobby. It's for starting a business. It's for starting a career. I'm so incredibly excited to be working with you on a deeper level and to be really helping you achieve those goals and dreams this year. And there's going to be a lot more fun stuff added along the way. There's going to be podcasts. There's going to be everything on there. So if you want 2 amazing makeup masterclasses per month, if you want a monthly live Q&A to ask any question that you like and pop on for a bit of a chat, if you want one-to-one mentoring with me day in, day out, and if you want a weekly blog post about all things industry related that is going to change your life, and sign up in the description box. I'm super excited for this, guys. I've been working on this so hard. I've been working on this for months behind the scene. Over Christmas I've been there with my keyboard like this, and honestly it's just been an absolute whirlwind, and kept it a secret for so long, but I truly feel like this is the step that we need to go next for the masterclasses. And I think you guys as well will appreciate the subscription service as well. It's super, super easy. You can cancel at any time. Not that you will want to, because it's going to be absolutely amazing, but it just saves having to purchase masterclass tickets all the time. You just know you're subscribed, you're getting all this content, all this training, all this learning. So guys, I just wanted to do a little YouTube video explaining what was happening with the masterclasses going forward. It's a lot easier for me to sit down and talk about it and just reel off everything that's going on. So if being a makeup artist in 2022 is one of your goals and dreams, if you want to upgrade your skills, if you want to keep learning, if you want to achieve those goals and dreams, if you want to start a new business, if you want to swap from going from doing clients to doing online work and you want to know more about the social media side of it, if you want to promote yourself a little bit more as a makeup artist, or if you're a total beginner and you've no idea where to start, then make sure you are signed up below. Alright guys, I think I've rambled on enough. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section and we're more than happy to answer them for you. The link to sign up is in the description box, but thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the Patreon. Bye!